In this video, we will see how to extend additional material views for existing material in S4 HANA. Let's have a test on this. Let's go to the S4 HANA. So MM50 is the transaction for extending material views. Before that, let me show you one existing material. Okay. If you see this here, I didn't extend MRP views for this material at the time of creation. So let's see this, how it works, like if any changes are there. So I think we can able to access MM50. That's the good news. So there were no changes. Let's select this one and select the required material and select the plant. Okay, now click on execute. Okay, select this and click on maintain materials. So now we'll try to fill all mandatory fields. MRP type should be PD. PD actually, deterministic MRP. That means it is going to check your inventory at the time of availability check. So for this, you required MRP controller. This is already I have defined. So you required a lot size for this. So let's choose probably any one of the lot size. Press enter. Next, go to the next view. Let's maintain planet delivery time as one time and GR processing time another couple of times. Planet delivery time means the time which is required to from your vendor, okay, to deliver the goods at location. GR processing time is the time taken to from once goods delivered at your location to place into your storage location or somewhere in your inventory, which is warehouse management. Okay, so if you observe special procurement key, product storage location, production storage location, all these are the existing fields only. There is nothing much change. Slowly we can try to observe what are the changes get involved. Next, go to MRP3. Let's choose strategy group. Let's make this one as make to stock. Okay, so let's click adapt, make to stock. Let's check if any strategy is available. Make to stock production. Let's choose this strategy. Okay, press enter. Make to stock production. So your availability check is 02, which is already taken. Individual requirements. Let's press this. Okay, I'm not going to choose anything from MRP4. Okay, so let's try to save this one. Okay, the group data of the material is locked by best. Let me continue. Okay, let's save this. Okay, now let's check in display mode whether our material got extended with required views. Now see your MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, 4. Apart from that, advanced planning and extended SPP, all these MRP views got extended. Okay, this is how you have to do the material extension. This was quite easy. Who already having some experience in what I would say ECC system, but newcomers have some new learning, and as well as we can able to test right whatever the transactions available. Let's conclude this. Happy learning.